Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to learn how to create a new task in the Asana app on your phone. This tutorial will help you stay organized and manage your projects efficiently, whether you are managing work tasks or personal projects. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Navigate to the project where you want to add a task. Next, click on the New Task button to start creating your task. Then, enter the name of your task in the Task Name field so you can quickly identify it later. After that, click on the profile icon to assign the task to a team member. You can select the person responsible for completing it. Then, click on the Due Date field and choose the date you want this task to be completed. Once selected, click Done to save the date. If you want to attach any files, click on the File icon and choose the file from your phone. Next, you can add collaborators by clicking on the member icon and selecting the members you want to include. Click Done to save these additions. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click on the Create button to save your task. Your new task is now ready and visible in your project. Using Asana this way will help you keep track of your tasks and deadlines efficiently.